Part 4. Reinforcement and Review Tools. You can test your knowledge and take advantage of unlimited reinforcement activities at any time. Two options are available to you: the gaming icon for a more engaging approach and the Create Quiz option, which allows you to quickly generate practice quizzes. Let's begin by exploring the gaming feature. Click on this icon, then choose the concept you would like to practice. You can then select one of the 3 available games. Once you have chosen your game, select your difficulty level, followed by the number of questions you would like to complete. This allows you to practice as much as necessary using a wide variety of questions while receiving immediate feedback. For each question, if you are experiencing difficulty, you can click on the Help button located in the upper right corner. You will then be given access to an explanatory video featuring a similar question, which will guide you through the reasoning required to solve the problem. You can always test your progress and conduct further reinforcement at any time using the Create Quiz icon. Here, you can choose any topic from your course to instantly generate a 5-question practice quiz. Each quiz includes video help for every question, automatic grading, and the ability to review your mistakes right away. At the end of each chapter, the Create Unit Review option lets you build a custom review assignment that brings together all the topics from that unit. A perfect way to prepare before moving on. By combining video lessons, workbook activities, and self-created quizzes, you can continuously strengthen your understanding and track your growth.